You know what, guys, we put together a little special thing just for this show tonight with our brothers in Slipknot. Why don't you crazy looking motherfuckers come out here and let's do this shit! Woo, shit! About to go the fuck off!
Are you ready? I can't stand it. I know you're playing it. I'm gonna say it like this one again. I'm in there rocking when I'm in this thing. Cause your place so full ain't so big to clear. I'm the thinking man, I know why. I got this fucking thorn on my side. Oh my god, it's a mirage. I'll tell you now, it's sabotage.
Scream, motherfucker! You want Korn? Come out!
So let's end up, cause you can't say nothing. You're looking down with the bush on your butt. I'm out and I'm gone. I tell you now, I keep it on and on.
Come on! Can't hear you!
So nothing can see ya. Living on days until ever ride. I'll tell you now, it's sabotage. You better make us fucking feel it out there. Are you ready to scream? 1, 2, 3. Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage. Come on.
Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage.
Come on.
Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage.
Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage.
Thank you for your cooperation. Good night.
Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage. Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage. Listen all y'all, it's a sabotage.
Make some fucking noise for Slipknot, y'all!
Make some fucking noise for Korn, my friends!
Woo, that was some shit, brother. Yeah, I don't think they've ever done any shit like that, ever!
No sleep till London, biatch!